Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Apecoin, whose current price stands at the $0.34725 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 0.26%. And in this video I want to give you the short-term and the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Apecoin. And allow me to kickstart the video by giving you a brief of what has been happening here on the Apecoin. Apecoin, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, making it to an all-time high at around the $28.11 mark. And in that movement, after seeing the all-time high, we have been seeing a bit of a corrective structure over here in a movement that has given us new lows and giving you a measure from the all-time high. You can see that Apecoin from the all-time high is down more than 87%, meaning there are chances that we might have seen the bear market low, and very soon we might see that bounce to the upside, maybe obeying the Elliot structures and jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis, where we have an Elliot structure that is in formation after seeing our low at around the $2.6 mark. We have been seeing a very nice bounce to the upside, managed to break above a key area of resistance at around the $3.2 mark and continued pushing even higher. And in that movement to the upside, we have an Elliot structure that has been playing out over here, having this as the first wave to the upside. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we saw a bit of a corrective structure over here in the formation of that second wave, then saw a very nice impulsive movement to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, then a wave 4, and then continued pushing a little bit higher, making the high for that wave 5 to the upside. And having seen such a structure, I believe that Elliot wave structure to the upside has completed the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. So we can have this as a higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside after seeing the high for that wave 5 at around the $4.5 mark. And after seeing the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside, whatever we expect next is a bit of a retracement to the lower side in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave down there to the high of that wave 1, that gives me a minimum retracement area to the lower side in the formation of that second wave between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and I can mark that target area here on the charts like that, which perfectly lies between the $3.59 mark and the $3.35 mark, which is a target area that we have fully maximized. And that means there are chances that we might have seen the low for that higher Elliot wave count 2, which is right here, after obeying the minimum retracement area to the lower side in the formation using the Fibonacci's. And very soon I'm expecting an impulsive movement to the upside in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 3. So on the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out here on the Apecoin chart, I'm expecting the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upside, which is an impulsive wave, and because of its impulsive nature, we also expect to see fractal waves in formation within that wave 3, having the wave 5 completing the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3 to the upside, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 using the Fibonacci's, that is the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies at around the $6.488 mark. And that is very possible in case we continue pushing even higher, manage to break above other key areas of resistances that we have in between that target area and the current prices that we are trading within. So that is the first possible scenario that can play out. There are also chances that we might not have the momentum for us to continue pushing higher, and in case that happens and we continue pushing a little bit lower, we have a key area of support at around the $3.35 mark. And in case we see further retracements to the lower side, I'm expecting the key area of support at around the $3.35 mark to give us support, and then from there we can continue pushing even higher, maybe in the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3. And in case we lose that key area of support at around the $3.35 mark and maybe see a retest, then another possible scenario could be playing out. But for now, I'm sticking to that movement to the upside in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 3, and I'll keep you updated on anything that plays out here on the Apecoin chart. Also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 36 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support any movements to the upside. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we have printed a bullish cross, and that means higher prices are coming our way. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.